Okay guys, so I would like to advise you about something. If you trade forex, you need to decide which side you fall in, what trading style you like. So we have day traders, we have scalpers, we have swing traders, so you should know where you belong. Like I myself, I'm a day trader. Forex is a game of patience and discipline. You need to train yourself to be disciplined and stick to your rules, have trading rules, then you're gonna make it. So you need to stick to your lane. In forex, you're getting paid for being patient only. Hi guys, I hope you're all good. Let's do a proper analysis with confirmations and everything. So this video is gonna be a bit longer than the usual ones because we are doing what you call it, a complete setup. So first of all, we start on a bigger time frame, which is a weekly time frame, just to cater all the bigger touches. So let's start here. Let's put a trend line here, and also the bottom one. What else in the horizontal lines to cater the levels? I think also here and here and here. Then let's go to a daily time frame to see more clearly. Okay, so I think sorry, to remove this one. Yeah, so I think we got everything in order. Let's go to H4. H4, we put trend lines also. Let's start here and hit here. Yes. Then also we do the same thing with levels. We have here, we have another one here. Where else? Okay. Let's go to H1. Also on H1 we do the same thing. We put a trend line here. I'm gonna tell you what is going to happen, or what I'm assuming it's gonna happen. Okay. This thing is limiting me. Yes. Perfect. So now let's highlight take profits. This is another take profit here. First take profit, sorry. We have second take profit here around this level, and also okay, let's have another. I know it's too close, but let's put it here. Another take profit. Then the last take profit is this one. For this trend. So now let's go for confirmation. How do you find confirmation on an entry? Let's go to M15. M15 news. So we can ignore that we have a small yellow trend here or here. So that is why I decided that is the best thing because of this picture. So what we will do, we will wait for it. Maybe it might go up until it touches this level, or else it can just turn from this level, and sell. So what you will do, you will wait for the breakout so that you'll be safer. Wait for the breakout of this trend line. Then if it fails, then that means it's coming up. But what I see here is this selling opportunity that might take place over the coming it's a great selling opportunity. And yeah, so what I would advise you to do before you trade, first thing, you check your calendar to see what's happening during the day and which pairs are being affected by the news or any event or whatsoever. But you should make sure you check the calendar. That's step number one. And step number two, make sure you plan your trades. You analyze minimum of 3. If you are still new on this trade, you think you should analyze only one. I think that's enough for you, or 2. And focus on those 2 things. Follow them. And also do not trade what you didn't plan to trade, and have a target. If you have a target, you will trade and stop. You won't overtrade, because when you overtrade, you lose your money. Any profit, every profit you made, you lose it, all of it. So you need to make sure you stick to your rules. Yeah, that's all I can tell you. This is how you analyze. This is a simple analysis. Nothing more. I don't want to put more things or to tell you so much things that will end up confusing you, you know. So this is a simple analysis. Although this chart is not clean, I prefer a clean chart, but then it's okay because I wanted to highlight to you or to show you. And also here, the reason why I think we are on the sale, we are going to sell here. Remember, on the bigger time frame we have a trend line here, which is on, I think it's on daily time frame. This one, this is a trend line here. So when you go to H1, it's like this. So this is a confirmation that, remember, we sell high and we buy low. So when we are here, that means we are looking for selling opportunities because we are on a resistance level here. So we are looking for selling opportunities. So when we are here on the support level, we're looking for buying opportunities. So that is why I am saying I am expecting a selling opportunity. Number one, we have a breakout of this trend line, and we're expecting a retest here before it drops. So remember, when there's a breakout, there's always a retest. When there's a breakout, you should expect a retest, no matter how long it will take to retest, but you should expect it. Number 2, we have this trend line as a confirmation. Number 3, we have this small pattern here. There's another confirmation, you know. So I can say this is a high probability trade. So let's wait and see. Please like and subscribe, share my videos, hit the notification bell so that every time I upload new video you receive a notification. Thank you.